15th July 2021, and today's day is Thursday, and this is 6th boys class. Maths, we are going with chapter number 3,
Three.
and the topic name is divisibility
Test.
test. Divisibility test. Am I correct? Now
Yes, sir.
divisible by, who will tell me how can we recognize whether the number is divisible by, I can say 2, divisible by 2 કેવી રીતે ખબર પડે? Who will tell me? How can
Sir,
we recognize the given number is divisible by 2 or not?
can I query Vasan?
Yes, Nakvir Agir.
Okay, sir. Sir, if the number last digit is even, so it can be divisible by two.
The last digit, if it is shown as 02468,
Yes, sir.
02468, then it is divisible by 2. How can we recognize the number divisible by 3 or not?
What, sir?
How can we recognize whether a given number is divisible by 3 or not? 3.
Sir, we have to plus the digits, and the answer is which. So we have to check it. It is 3 9 or 3 9 12. Okay.
We cannot tell like that way. We have to check out the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3 or not. If it is divisible by 3, that means the whole given number will be divisible by 3. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
How can we recognize whether a given number is divisible by 4?
Sir, 4. So, sir, we have to check that last two digits.
We have to check the last two digits. If the last two digits of the given number is divisible by, if
So,
the last two digits of a given number is divisible by 4, that means the whole given number is divisible by 4. Now, how can we recognize whether a given number is divisible by 5 or not?
sir, if the last digit is 0 or 5, so we can so it is divisible by 5.
The last digit, if it is 0 or 5, the given number is divisible by 5. Very good. How can we recognize whether a given number is divisible by 6 or not? 6.
So, sir, in 6 we have to check that the number is divisible by 2 and 3. So if the number is only divisible by 2 or only divisible by 3, so it is not divisible by 6. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, so it is divisible by 6.
Very good, beta. So if a number is divisible by 2 as well as by 3, compulsory both the things has to be answer as it is divisible by 2 as well as 3. If any of one it is not there, then it is not going to be divisible by 6. If a number is divisible by 2 as well as by 3, then only that number will be divisible by 6. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
How can we recognize a number is divisible by 8?
Sir, we have to check last 4 digits. If the number is the last 4 digit is divisible by 8, so it is divisible by.
Last 4 digits?
Yes, sir.
Last 3 digits better.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We have to check the last 3 digits of a given number. If the number is divisible by 8, that means the given number will be divisible by 8. For example, I gave you 149, 149, 216. Now, what are the last three digits here?
216.
216. So, rough માં calculate કરી લેવાનું. 216 divided by 8. 8 twos are 16. 5 remainder, 6 will be brought forward. 7 eights are 56. So, you got 00 at the end. So, if you are getting 00, the last three digit is divisible by 8. That means the whole number is divisible by 8.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
10
sir.
is 6, 4, 9, 1, 9, 8, 5, 1, 2. So what are the last three digit here? 512.
512.
So in rough calculation again, you have to calculate 512. 8, 6 are 48. 3 will be remainder here. 2 will be brought forward. 8 fours are 32. Are you getting 00 at the end?
Yes,
That means
sir.
512
Yes,
is
sir.
divisible by 8. So
Yes,
this
sir.
whole
sir.
number is divisible by 8. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So now how can we recognize whether a given number is divisible by 10 or not?
Sir, if the last digit is 0, so we can understood that it is divisible by 10.
Very good. We have to check out the last digit. If the last digit stands for 0, that means our whole number is divisible by 10. Whatever number of digits do we have, it will be divisible by 10. Okay? Now, divisible by 9.
9.
How can we recognize whether a given number is divisible by 9 or not? What we were doing in divisible by 3? 3 માં શું કરતા હતા બેટા? Hello? What we were doing when we were finding whether a number is divisible? Sorry?
We are adding the digit.
We are adding the digits. So in the same case, we have to do the same thing. We have to add all the numbers. 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2 plus 9 plus 2. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 9, 16 plus 2, 18. Now 18 is divisible by 9.
Yes, sir.
Can we divide 18 by 9?
Yes, sir.
So if a given number, total of all digits is divisible by 9, that means whole number will be divided by 9. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
समझ पड़ा है क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
7,
Mohammed
4,
sir.
6, 0. Sorry?
હું
બોલ.
પરિહાર શફીક બોલું છું.
હા બોલો બેટા.
સર હું વિડીયો જોઈ લઈશ કેમ કે મારે બહાર જવાનું છે ને એટલે.
તો ઈ કેવા તો આ ડિસ્ટર્બ કરવા આવ્યો ક્લાસમાં? અત્યારે એક્સપ્લેનેશન ચાલુ છે તો આ વસ્તુ કેવા આ વચમાં આવે તું બેટા અત્યારે? 746082. These are the number of digits we have here. So what we have to do? We have to add all these numbers. 7 plus 4 plus 6 plus 0 plus 8 plus 2. 7 plus 4,
11.
11 plus 6,
17.
17 plus 0
17.
plus 8,
25.
25 plus 2,
27.
27 is divided by 9.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27. Division right ना? जब ये 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18.
Yes, sir.
समझ पड़ा है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means this whole given number is divisible by 9.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt here? Divisible by 9.
No, sir. No doubt.
We have to work same as number 3. Divisible by 3, we have to check whether a given number is divided by 3 or not. The total. Indivisible by 9, we have to total it out and we have to check whether a given number is divisible by 9 or not. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Now divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. Can anyone have any idea about how to work on divisible by 11?
No, sir.
No. Okay.
No,
There is
sir.
one rule for divisible by 11. Adding odd places, adding all the odd places, huh? All the odd places, odd number 9, odd places, okay? Adding all the even places, odd places and even places, बराबर?
Yes, sir.
Subtracting the sum of odd and sum of even. समझ पड़े છે શું ત્રણ સ્ટેપ કરવાના છે? Adding all
Yes,
the
sir.
odd places, adding all the even places.
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
subtracting the sum of odd and even. જે આનો ને આનો આન્સર આવે એને એકબીજામાંથી માઇનસ કરવાનું છે. For example, 1067. We have to check whether 1067 is divided by 11 or not. Okay?
Yes, sir.
समझ पड़े છે કે નહીં? These three steps are the method to check out. Now, what is the appropriate answer to check out? Whether the answer of this bracket, whether the answer of this bracket is 0 or 11 or multiples of 11. Multiples of 11 will be what? 22, 33, 44, 11 5s are 55, 11 6s are 66, 11 7s are 77, it goes on. So if a number is 0 or 11 or any of the multiple of 11 which can be divided by 11, that all number will be divided by 11. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
example થી સમજાવું છું. 1067. So starting from your left side, સૌથી મોટી place value કઈ આવે? 1. Because this will be 1, 10,000, 100,000, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So the biggest place value we have to start, જે છેલ્લો number હોય, this one is odd. This one is odd place.
Yes, sir.
Then even, then odd, then even. Now what we have to do? Adding all the odd places. Odd places, odd as 1 plus odd as 6. So total of odd place we got as 7.
Yes, sir.
Then even has 0 here and even has 7 here. So adding even place we got 7 total.
Yes,
Now
sir.
what we have to do? Subtracting the sum of odd. Sum of odd is 7 minus 7. We got 0 here.
Yes, sir.
So if we get 0 or 11 or the multiples of 11, that means this whole number is divided by 11. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
समझ पड़े છે boys?
Yes, sir.
Again, with the new example, 62678. चलो. 62678. 62678. चलो. Now what we have to do in this? Can I say this one is odd place? The biggest place value will be
Yes,
the
sir.
first letter.
Yes, sir.
Odd, even. Odd, even. Odd. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first step is adding all the odd places. So odd will be 6 then 6 and 8. So we got 6 plus 6, 12 plus 8, 20. Okay. Now adding all even places. 2 plus 7. So even place we got 9 here.
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes,
Now
sir.
what we have to do? We have to subtract sum of odd to sum of even. So 20 minus 9, we got 11 here. So we got 11 here. This
Yes, sir.
means 6, 2, 6, 7, 8. 62,678 is divisible by 11. Any doubt, boys?
No, sir.
Anybody has any doubt regarding divisible by
No,
11 or
sir.
not?
No, sir.
Confirm, Bachcha Party?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so with the help of this number 11, we have completed our divisibility test. Now we are shifting to the new topic of this chapter. See how many topics we have covered? We have covered first topic as factors and multiples. Then I taught you prime numbers and composite numbers.
Yes, sir.
Then
Divisibility by,
first
sir.
factors and multiples. Second topic we have cleared is prime numbers and composite number. And third topic we have covered is divisibility test. Divisibility test from number 2 to 11 except number 7. Is that clear, boys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we are starting with our new topic. Name is common factors. I hope everyone is aware how to go through with finding the factors. Factors તો ખબર ને factors and multiples માં તમને શીખડાયું what are the factors of a given number.
Yes, sir.
Okay. चलो common factors. Four and 18. Factors are what? Factors is that a given number belongs to how many other digits? That means what are the other digits that can divide number 4? Or you can say that what are the other numbers in which 4 belongs to in that table? કે 4 કયા કયા ટેબલ માં આવે છે or 4 કેના કયા કયા નંબર થી ડિવાઇડ થાય છે? That is what the factors are. Understood? સમજાય છે boys?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
4, if I say 4, can I say 4 ones are 4? 2 twos are 4? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what are the factors here? 1, 2. 2 is common, so you cut 2 levai and 4. So factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Any doubt here?
No, sir. No doubt.
Okay. Same way for 18. To find 18, can I say 1 18s are 18?
Yes, sir.
2 9s are 18?
Yes, sir.
3 6s are 18? Then 4
Yes,
na table
sir.
man ave, 5 na table man ave. That means 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 8 are the factors of, 18 are the factors of
18.
number 18. Now what do you mean by common factors? Common factors are, we have to check 2 numbers or 3 numbers or 4 numbers, whatever numbers are given, we have to check that particular numbers of the factors. What are the common here? 1, 1, 2, 2. So common factors are between 4 and 18 are 1 and 2. Are you getting? જો અહીંયા 4 નથી આવતો ને અહીંયા 3, 6, 9 and 18 નથી. Is that clear? So common are how many factors here? 1 and 2. Is that clear? What do you mean by common factors?
Sir, common factors means a two-digit number, means any two digits
Who
factor.
said any 2 digits? Who said any 2 digits? Who told you? Have I told you in the class right now? કે કોઈ પણ બે ડિજિટ કોમન હોય એમ? The factors are the common numbers belongs to the comparative numbers. આ બે નંબર હોય, ત્રણ નંબર હોય, ચાર નંબર હોય. If the numbers, the tables, the divisible number is common, that all numbers are known as common factors. તો આ બેમાં શું આ common છે? 1 and 2 both. સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting the content?
Yes, sir.
Same way, if I say 4 and 15, chalo. 4, common factor we know 1, 2 and 4. 15 are what? This is said to be common factor, huh? 1 and 2, bit for 4 and 18. Now 4, 1, 2, 4, 5, 15 to 1, 3, 5 and 15. Am I correct?
Yes,
15 ના
sir. Yes,
ફેક્ટર્સ શું નીકળશે? 15 ના ફેક્ટર્સ શું નીકળશે? 1 15s are 15, 3 5s are 15. હવે આગળ નહીં થાય જો. So if factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now what is the common factor here?
1.
1 only. What is the common factor here? 1. There is no other number as common here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If a number, if any two numbers having 1 as a common factor, 1 તો common factor હોય જ બધાયમાં, કોઈ પણ ડિજિટમાં 1 common factor હોય જ. બટ ખાલી 1 હોય જે common factor, એ બંને નંબરને શું કહેવાય? Co-prime numbers. Which numbers they are said to be? This number is said to be co-prime numbers. Why it is said to be co-prime? Because the common factor is only 1 on it. Is that clear? આમાં શું નીકળ્યું? ખાલી common factor. Common factor is only 1. So if a number, if the two numbers or three numbers having one common as a factor, that all numbers are said to be co-prime to each other. આ બંને એકબીજા સાથે co-prime numbers કહેવાય. શું કહેવાય? Because they have only a common factor as 1. Is that clear,
Sir?
boys?
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, I am Farhan Ali Merchant. 4 and 15 is equal to 1. ઈ મને ન સમજાણું.
તારી બુક ખુલ્લી છે તો કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કર. 4 કયા કયા ટેબલમાં આવે ઈ જો ને 15 કયા કયા ટેબલમાં આવે ઈ જો. ચલ પછી નો સમજાય તો પૂછ. Now if I say 25 and not 25, I will go with 15. Chalo. 15 and 75. 15 and 75. So 15 we know that how many tables will be there in which 15 will belongs to? 1, 3, 5 and 15. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 75 will belongs to 1, 3, then 5. 75 kya table ma 175 are 75. Then 3 2s are 6, 1 3 5s are 15, 75. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 75. Okay. Then 8, 9, 10. That's it. I think so. There is no other table in which 75 will belongs to. So 1,
Yes.
3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. So now what are the common factors in this between these two numbers? The common factors will be 1, 3, 5 and 15. All the numbers are common. See, except last 25 and 75. 1, 3, 5, and 15 are the common factors of 15 and 75. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Ola merchant kahin gyo merchant? Where is that guy? Who was that boy? Merchant
Sir, Farhan
Ghaziabad.
Ali Merchant.
Farhan Ali. Farhan Ali.
Yes,
You
sir.
there, Farhan Ali? આ સમજાણું બેટા
Yes.
15 and 75.
સર તમારી
Hello.
તો અહીંયા સ્ક્રીન નથી બતાતી. સર તમારી સ્ક્રીન અહીંયા નથી બતાતી 15 અને 75 ની. ઓનલી કોમન ફેક્ટર ની તે ખાલી સ્ક્રીન બતાવી છે.
તો તારા
બીજી
ઇન્ટરનેટ
જે તમે
કનેક્શનમાં
લીટી
પ્રોબ્લેમ છે. તારા ઇન્ટરનેટ કનેક્શનમાં પ્રોબ્લેમ છે બેટા, ઓકે? બાકી બધાને દેખાય છે.
સર ક્યારેક વર્ટિકલ રાખીએ છે ને તો નથી બતાતી, હોરિઝોન્ટલ રાખવું પડે છે.
I understand. Chalo, now are you clear with the topic common factors?
Yes, sir.
Now we are shifting to the new topic common multiple. Okay? Common multiple. Chalo. Multiples means what? Girls, sorry, boys.
Sir, factors answer.
Multiples means 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40, and it goes on. Am I right or wrong? It
Yes,
goes
sir.
on
Yes, sir.
infinite. There is no limit for the multiplication. Multiples ni koi limit nothing. Factors, we know that it was limited. 75 no kero toy limited factors aiva. 15 no kero toy limited aiva. It goes on. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60, and it goes on. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir, no.
Okay. So now what are the common multiples here? Can I say 12 is common here?
Yes, sir.
24 is common. 36 is common.
Yes, sir.
So the question will be asked that find the first 3 common multiples or first 5 common multiples. तो आपने इतना सुधीर करवाना. Are you getting? समझ पड़े छे के नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
આપણે
sir.
first 3 common multiples પૂછ્યું હોય તો 3 common multiples મળી ગયા. What are the 3 common multiples between these two? 12, 24 and 36. સમજાય છે?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting the topic? What I am trying to say?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So this was the topic about common multiple. આમાં કોઈને doubt હોય તો કયો. For example, we can take 10 and 20 also. If you want to take an example, we can take 10 and 20. Find the first 5 common multiple of 10 and 20. Or first 2 common multiple. Chalo, 2 જ રાખીએ આપણે. બહુ લાંબુ નથી રાખવું. Okay? First 2. So we will go up to 2 common. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 10 tens are 100, and it goes on. Got it? 21s are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 60, 24s are 80, 25s are 100, 120, 140, and it goes on. Yes or no? So common multiples, first two common multiples we have to find out. So 20 is common between 10 and 20.
Yes, sir.
40 is common. 40 is common here. Then 60 is also common here. Then 80 is common here. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
So we have to write only first two common. So first two are what? 20 and
20 and 40.
40. Are you clear with the topic name common multiple?
Yes, sir.
Where two digit apela say it can be three digit, it can be four digit also. We have to just simply multiples. We have to find, and we have to find the common how many they are required with. Whether they are asking for three common multiples, whether they are asking for two common, whether they are asking for five common multiples. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Now
Yes, sir.
next topic. We have completed our topic up to common multiples. Next topic is next topic is what? Prime factorization. That topic I'll start in our next lecture. Is that clear?
Sir, which
Because our
topic?
time is already up right now. Our time is already up right now, and we are going to start with the new topic in our next lecture. Your homework is to refer all the topics what we have studied right now in the class. Go through all at once from your PDF or from your textbook, whatever you have with you. You refer it once, and when we start with exercise, at that time it will be more easiest way for you to solve that. Okay? Do you have any doubt with this?
Yes, sir.
Boys?
No, sir, no doubt.
So do take care of yourself, take care of your health very well, take care of your family also, and do not go out without any reason. Enjoy your
Yes.
next 3 lectures. Have a nice time, boys. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye. Have a nice day. Bye, sir.
Good night, sir.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day.